AI Side Hustle, $400 in 2 hours with ChatGPT plus Google Maps. Did you know that with the use of ChatGPT and Google Maps, you could potentially earn up to $400 in just 2 hours? Watch until the end to learn more. There's no doubt that we are living in a much more fast-paced world today. In this digital age, a lot of things are more convenient and optimized. Communication is faster, doing work is more optimized, and life, in general, is just a bit more convenient compared to the past. The internet definitely plays a big part in the advancements of this era. Internet connection lets us communicate better and faster, and also allows us to learn more about the world around us. Not only that, it also enables us to store and spread more information than ever before. Due to more people learning more about the various advancements in our society, no wonder more people are becoming smarter and more aware, thus contributing more advanced ideas. One of the main factors that also led the beneficial advancements in modern society is artificial intelligence, which enables machines to act and stimulate human intelligence. AI has become really beneficial for us, especially when it comes to workplace and academic-related tasks. Heck, even people who aren't in the tech industry can learn how to code more easily thanks to AI. Not only does AI help in doing various processes that we humans do, but it also helps us answer a lot of questions that we have. In terms of its workplace capabilities, it's also useful when it comes to helping out businesses, whether they are big or small. Basically, making money has become even easier thanks to AI. In line with this statement, we will actually be discussing a really good side hustle, which can help you earn a couple $100 in just a few hours. Interested? Then keep watching. Hey there, hustlers! Welcome back to the amazing AI channel, where we talk about all things AI and all related technology to it. For this video, we are about to share a game-changing strategy with you. Imagine turning Google Maps into your money-making tool and earning up to $600 in just 3 hours. You might be thinking, nah, that sounds too good to be true. Well, it does sound ridiculous if you've heard about it 10 years ago. With the help of AI, this insane statement will eventually become the norm in this digital age. And you want to know what's the best part? This method is accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world, as long as you have a phone and an internet connection. So, let's dive in and explore this exciting opportunity. We are all really excited to share these insights with you. In order for us to provide you with more AI content that interests you, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Seeing how we've been hyping it up, just what is the secret behind this method? The answer to that is Google Maps and Google Business Profiles. Yeah, you heard it right. We're going to leverage these to boost our earnings. And here's the golden rule. Target small businesses. They can be local to your area or anywhere around the world, as long as you can communicate with them in their language. This is very situational, so this method is essentially just a couple of principles and general processes to help you get started with it. It'll always depend on the small businesses around your area and where you are currently. First things first, we have to start locating the right businesses. Let's fire up Google Maps and zoom into your preferred location. You can do this on your phone, but doing it on a computer would be way more convenient. Now, you can always start with small towns, but don't shy away from larger cities too. The key is to find businesses that haven't optimized their Google business profiles. This means incomplete or unclaimed profiles, low review counts, and lower rankings. Even larger cities have a lot of businesses that have a messy Google business profile, so don't fret about getting into a larger market. Who knows, you might actually be the key to turning these businesses into multi-million-dollar companies. Before you get started, you might be thinking that you're not an expert in Google business profiles. You might have just simply clicked on this video because you wanted to earn some money. Well, worry not. Google has your back, especially with its support and certifications. You can sign up for a free account with Google Business Profile, and even take a short, beginner-friendly course they offer. Completing this course not only equips you with valuable skills, but also earns you a Google certification that can make you stand out. Sure, it might take some time, but just look at how convenient this will be for you. Knowledge is power, don't you forget. And even outside of this hustle, Google offers a lot of free courses on various subjects. So once you've got this niche pat down, you can explore more courses, thus possibly creating more opportunities for you. With your newfound knowledge, it's time to start selecting the right businesses. Start compiling a list of businesses that fit the criteria we discussed earlier. Electricians, plumbers, landscapers, you name it. Aim for businesses with incomplete profiles, low reviews, and those not topping the search results. Nearly any business applies to the criteria, just as long as they have incomplete profiles. And considering that most businesses can fit the criteria, all you have to do is just do a bit of research of your own when providing the additional data for those profiles. The more in-depth, the better. Google Maps is surprisingly helpful for making money, don't you think? You wouldn't have expected it considering it's just mainly used for directions. How about you? Will you be getting into this type of hustle in the future? Let us know in the comments below. Now back to the video. Okay, now you're ready to reach out to these businesses. We have to start crafting a compelling outreach. But how do you make your pitch compelling? That's where our trusty assistant ChatGPT comes in. Instead of a generic sales pitch, we want to establish a connection. As how fellow small business owners should, share the importance of an optimized Google business profile in attracting customers. Mention specific benefits to their business. Although ChatGPT is a vital tool for creating our pitch, always remember that you must also put your personal touch to the pitch. You are communicating with real humans, so it is important that you should properly ensure them that you will actually help them in their business. Now comes the exciting part, which is contacting and reaching out to businesses. You can either call these businesses or send them emails. While calling may be more direct, email outreach is also effective. Remember, many of these businesses might not have their contact details on their profiles, so search their websites or social media for contact information. Emailing them would be the best way to do it, but if they're available for a call, then go with it. You best need to do a lot of research, especially when it comes to really small businesses that are hard to contact. And so, now that you have impressed a business, and they're interested, how exactly do you get paid? Here's where platforms like Upwork and Fiverr come in. Create a profile, list your services, set your prices, and share the link with your potential clients. It adds a layer of trust and professionalism to your transaction. It's also hassle-free considering that you can communicate better through the platform. But don't limit yourself to those two platforms mentioned. There are lots of freelance websites out there, so don't worry. Feel free to also recommend those websites in the comments below. Of course, you might be wondering how much to charge. Based on research and industry standards, a range between $300 to $1,000 is common. As you're just starting, it's wise to set your initial price around $300. Remember, you only need a couple of successful sales to hit that $600 mark. You can also do your own research or ask other people who are in the same field for more tips about the fees. Ultimately, you have to know your worth. While it can be tempting to lower your prices just for the sake of a quick buck, you also need to be patient in order to get a better price. So, there you have it. A detailed guide on how to turn Google Maps into a money-making machine. The potential is vast, and this method allows you to tailor your services to different levels, accommodating various budgets. If you're curious to hear success stories or have questions, drop a comment below. Here at Amazing AI, we always make sure to provide you with news and other updates in relation to this field of knowledge. If you want to stay tuned to what the Amazing AI channel has yet to offer, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.